bold, elegant, powerful. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is more than just a car. It's a statement of engineering excellence, cutting-edge technology, and unrivaled craftsmanship. A machine that fuses British sophistication with raw, unfiltered performance. At first glance, the 2025 Vantage commands attention. Its redesigned front fascia is more aggressive, featuring a wider, more pronounced grille that enhances aerodynamics and cooling. The slim, full LED headlights give it a sharp and menacing look, while the sculpted hood hints at the beast that lies beneath. Every curve and every crease on the Vantage serves a purpose. The low, wide stance improves stability, while the sculpted lines direct airflow for maximum efficiency. The new lightweight aluminum chassis reduces weight without compromising rigidity, making this one of the most dynamic Vantage models ever produced. At the rear, a bold LED light strip seamlessly connects the taillights, creating a striking visual signature. The enhanced rear diffuser and integrated spoiler not only add to the aesthetics but also improve downforce at high speeds. And let's not forget the exhaust. Twin titanium-tipped pipes that deliver an intoxicating symphony of power. The use of carbon fiber elements throughout the exterior not only reduces weight, but reinforces the Vantage's track-inspired DNA. Step inside, and you enter a world of luxury and precision. The 2025 Vantage's interior is a perfect blend of craftsmanship and modern technology. Premium leather, Alcantara, and hand-stitched detailing surround you, creating an atmosphere of pure indulgence. The fully digital driver's display provides real-time performance data, while the new state-of-the-art infotainment system features a high-definition touchscreen with seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The latest Aston Martin software ensures a smooth, intuitive user experience. The redesigned center console is inspired by Aston Martin's racing heritage. A new rotary dial enhances driver engagement, while the carbon fiber accents remind you that this is a machine built for speed. And then there are the seats, beautifully sculpted, offering both supreme comfort and track-ready support. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on the open road, the Vantage ensures a driver-focused experience like no other. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Vantage truly special: performance. Under the hood, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, developed in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG, unleashes a staggering 665 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse propels the Vantage from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 mph. The updated 8-speed automatic transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, delivering power with unmatched precision. But the Vantage isn't just about straight-line speed. With an adaptive suspension system, a perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and an electronically controlled limited slip differential, this car grips the road like a true predator. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or dominating the track, the Vantage delivers an experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. And stopping power? Aston Martin has equipped the 2025 Vantage with high-performance carbon ceramic, brakes ensuring that you have total control no matter the conditions. But perhaps the most thrilling aspect of the Vantage is its sound. The quad exhaust system has been fine-tuned to deliver an unmistakable roar, a deep, guttural growl that evolves into a spine-tingling scream as you push the revs higher. This is the sound of pure automotive passion. Whether at idle, full throttle, or downshifting through the gears, the 2025 Vantage announces its presence like no other. It's not just an engine note, it's music for the true enthusiast. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is more than a sports car. It's a masterpiece of design, performance, and luxury. It embodies everything that makes Aston Martin a legendary mark, a machine crafted for those who demand the best. The question is, are you ready to experience it? The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, born to thrill.